All right, welcome back. I'm here at lunch break from public school teaching. I'm at a 60-year-old plus public school piano today. And I want to show you Hanon exercise number 1, and I want to show you a couple different ways that you can use it. Finger exercises are extremely important, and I'm enough of a music geek to think they're super fun, actually. And I want to show you how you can take one exercise and find some fun ways to actually use it, find some musical ways to use it, practical ways. So we're going to do Hanon number 1 today. I love the Hanon exercise book. If you're not aware of it, you need to buy the Hanon book. It's an essential for pianists around the world. Really gets your muscles going and teach you some physical skills on the piano. Hanon exercise number 1. The right hand is like this. Okay, and it continues on. So let's go over that real quick. Starting on middle C, we're going to skip a note. Finger 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5. So we're basically using all 5 fingers. We're skipping a note between finger 1 and 2. We're leaving a white note space. We're not using the black notes in this exercise, just the white notes. So it's upward and immediately back down. When I come back down, I'm not going to repeat the C note. When I get back to 1, I'm going to move that first finger over to the D note and then leave a space again. Up and down. To E note, skip a note. There it is. Okay, so let me start that again, nice and slow. Here we go. Ready, begin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 3, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 3, 2. 1, 2, 3, etc. And then we keep working our way up. F, G, A, and then B. My pinky is on the G note, and now I'm going to reverse it. So skipping it, I'm hoping that's on the camera. If not, let me move it down an octave just so make sure it's on the camera. Here's the G note. Now I'm going, it's like a mirror image of what we played before. 5 to 4, we're going to leave an empty note there. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, back up, 2, 3, 4, 4, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, right? F, etc. I'm going to go back to where we were, G note, and we're going to come downward. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 2, 3, F note, E, D, C, B, A, last one, G. Okay, that's the entire exercise for the right hand. Let's do the left hand. The left hand, of course, same notes, but 5 to 4 to start. 5, 4, 5, 4, etc. Okay, working our way up. Of course, we'll start an octave lower. Okay. All right. Let me do the whole exercise. I'll start on just one C below middle C. Here we go. C, D, skip a note. E, skip a note. F, skip a note. G, skip a note. A, skip a note. B, skip a note. Now I'm going to reverse it. My thumb is already on the G note. It's already in place. And now I'm going to skip a note coming down. G, skip a note. F, skip a note. And on it goes. D, C, B, A, last one, G. Good. Now in the Hanon book, they actually put it going 2 octaves. For today, I think I'm probably just going to go 1 octave, but 2 octaves are great as well, of course. Now, so here's it's both hands together. I'm going to do 1 octave going up and down, both hands together. Here we go. Etc. Okay? So you're going to go up and down. Now, the trick. Now, then the question is, once you master that, first master that, but then if you learned it, which many of you probably have already, what can I do with it? Of course, the octaves are great, but you can move that octave, instead of making an octave, make it a tenth. Start with the right hand thumb on the E, so you have C and an E. So that's a tenth. Right? So you're mechanically exactly the same, but you're a tenth apart instead of an octave apart. Let's take that same, keep the left hand where it's at. Let's move the right hand down a note to two notes, to A, and let's do the same thing at a sixth. Etc. So we did it in octaves, we did it in tenths, and we did it in sixth, okay? So you can take that same exercise, okay? And then another game you can play sometimes is just change the rhythm a little bit. Maybe you change just for fun, purposefully change the rhythm.